Almost filmed without my earrings. Oh no.
Mic check, mic check. 1 2 1 2.
Let's get it. Do you want to make money fast? I'm talking about real grown people money. Then this video is for you, baby. Because in today's video, I'm going to share with you some options that I have done in order to be able to make money from the comfort of your own home. You can even do some of these from your phone. I'm talking no BS options, okay? No. But before I drop these gems on you, you know what you have to do. Hit that algorithm in the face. Let YouTube know that you like money-making content. The way you do that is by hitting the thumbs up button. If you're new here, make sure you say hello. Drop a comment so I can say, hey. But now that we got that out of the way, let's get into these options where you can make money online fast without the BS. Let's go. Okay, let's get into these options because these are real options that I know work and can earn you some fast money when you put forth the effort. All right. So let's start with this super easy first option, selling ebooks. And before you start saying,
I don't have time to make an ebook. I don't know how to do that.
We are doing it the easy way, baby. We're going to let AI make these ebooks for us. That's right. You can actually take a blog post. You can take a podcast transcript. You can take a YouTube video and turn it into an ebook in minutes. And the platform that I use to do that is called Designer. So let's dive into my computer and I'm going to show you how to create a full ebook in minutes on any topic. Alrighty, watch me create an ebook in minutes using Word Genie within Designer. So this is their AI. You just choose your topic or your niche. I'm going to choose online side hustles. Choose your language. They have multiple languages. I'm in the US. So then it'll generate multiple titles that you can choose from. I'm going to go with the first one, side hustles for busy parents. And then you choose the tone of voice. So you can be informative, you could be humorous, professional, all that stuff. So I'm going to be my normal encouraging self. And then you choose the theme of the project. They actually will choose some for you based on the topic and you can change it around if you want. And then Word Genie goes to work, baby. As you can see, literally in less than a minute, it created several chapters. Okay. And I love how they added this update. You can add images that they believe would fit well within the content. So I'm just going to choose one of these. I like the hustle. All right. You can go through your book and choose several images and then you choose a template. So this is going to be for the cover and the layout of your ebook. And they have a bunch of free ones in here. And I'm going to go with this one. And yes, they have a whole bunch of free stock images. You don't have to pay anything once you're in here. Now, I'm going to change this title around. I don't like how it's like blending in with the background. So I'm just going to fix it up a little bit. And they gave me several options. I'm going to publish. You can publish as a PDF. That's the best way to sell it, as an ebook. And as you can see, yes, several pages. I made an ebook in minutes, y'all. People are selling these ebooks that they make on Designer for between $10 and $50. You really can do this. Now, if you like Designer, baby, I'm about to hook you up because you know how I do. Designer is typically like $400 plus per year. But guess what? If you check down in the description, I have a special link for you where you can access Designer for life for $27. Yes, you're welcome. You're welcome. Okay. Now, for those of you that may be new to selling ebooks and have no clue how to go about selling those ebooks, like how to build a store, stick with me because I'm going to give you a resource later on in this video so that you can learn how to do it. But let's move on to option number 2 for making fast money online. This is so real. Sell your talent. I know my Nikki Connected crew is smart. You're intelligent. You're ambitious. You guys know how to do things that people are willing to pay you to do. It's just that a lot of times you're not tapping into that, or you may be confused as to what it is you can actually sell. Listen, Linda, listen.
You guys.
Linda, listen, Linda. Listen.
If you have any skills, I'm talking about if you know how to type, you can actually get paid to do transcription, or if you are somebody that wants to do voiceovers, you can lend your voice to commercials and cartoons. These are just some of the services that you can offer on a website like Fiverr. But I want you to see for yourself that your options are endless when it comes to being able to offer services online. So let's dive into Fiverr so I can show you what other people are offering so we can get those wheels turning. For those of you that are like, Nikki, I don't have a talent. Oh, yes, you do. There's something on Fiverr that you can list. As you can see, here's some ideas for you. These are some of the services that people are offering. They're selling their services and you can too. Just go through here, get some ideas of what people are offering. So to help y'all out, I know a lot of you are interested in voiceovers. So let's take a look at how much people are charging for voiceovers. I see somebody is charging $20 to read 100 words. Oh, it gets better. $75 to read 250 words and $100 to read 100 words, y'all. And if you are interested in doing voiceover jobs and getting paid to read from home, I have a free class where I can show you how to get into that. Just click the link in the description to sign up for the next class while it's still available. But when it comes to Fiverr, I've hired people to do multiple things in my business, from marketing to YouTube thumbnails. I also offer services on Fiverr as well. So I myself offer UGC, which is user generated content. So these are vertical videos. We've all seen them. If you're scrolling through social media, you'll see somebody talk about a brand or a product. It's like a 30 to 60-second video, and brands will actually pay you to do this UGC content right there on your phone. That's yet another option that you can offer on Fiverr. I do it myself. And on that note, I've been considering doing a video about UGC and how to make money by creating content for brands. Let me know in the comments if that's something that you're interested in. So if I have enough people that do say they're interested in UGC, I will do a video on that for you guys. But Fiverr is an awesome option to offer your freelance services. So I highly suggest you check them out. I'm going to link them down in the description so you can get a look-see yourself. Option number 3 for making money online fast, MRR, and it stands for Master Resale Rights. This is a product that's already made. It's an online type of product, whether it's a course or social media videos. So these products are already done and you can sell them on your own store. So the perfect example of this are the videos within my mega content bundle. So this includes over 8,000 videos that can be used on social media to promote your business, or you can actually sell these videos as is. You don't have to change them. It's up to you what you decide to do with them. These videos are already pre-made. You don't have to record them, but you're able to use them or sell them. And you can access the videos from a free Canva account where you can edit them, use them for promotion, put them on your own social media, or like I said, you can sell them. I myself have made over $16,000 in just 6 months selling these exact videos. So I know some of you want to get your hands on them. So if you are interested, they are within my mega content bundle linked in the description. But now that you know about that option, let's move on to option number 4, which is something that I know a lot of you are interested in because you keep coming to me about it, and it is print on demand. So with print on demand, you can sell t-shirts, ornaments, mugs, various products with your own design on them and actually sell them without having to ship it to your customer directly. And you can sell this on autopilot 24/7. So how can you do this? You can use a free platform like Canva and make those designs, those funny sayings, any design that you want. And then you can upload it to one of my favorite websites for print on demand, Printify. So when you upload your design to Printify, they'll put it on those mugs, t-shirts, socks, whatever product you have listed on your store. So when somebody orders that product, Printify will ship it right to them. Print on demand is something that I've done. And when I did it, I used an Etsy store, and you can connect the print on demand company directly to your Etsy store. So again, everything is on autopilot. It's really simple when you know how to do it. If you don't know how to do print on demand, then you need to start actually watching my videos, because right on my homepage here on YouTube is a playlist where I teach you how to do print on demand for free. Now, on that note, I have to talk real to y'all. I actually want to make a difference in your life. I want you to be able to build those businesses, start those side hustles, make that money, build that legacy that you deserve for you and your family. And just binge watching videos and not taking any action, that's not going to help you. Like I said in the beginning of this video, when it comes to the money that I'm talking about here, I'm talking about grown people money. I'm not talking about, oh, this will just, pay for something small, like just a single meal at McDonald's. No, I want you to build legacies. That's what this channel is doing. Okay. So every video that I put out, businesses are getting started. Are you going to be one of those businesses? I need you guys to take a step back and understand that when it comes to building a business, you have to invest in yourself, okay? If you're not willing to invest in yourself and put out any kind of money in order to start a business, how do you think that that business is going to sustain? And why would you think that somebody is going to invest in you if you're not willing to invest in yourself? So I say all that to say, if you are somebody that wants to do print on demand, for example, like I mentioned, I use an Etsy store. Now I think Etsy costs like $15 to start that store. If you're somebody that's not willing to put out $15 to start an Etsy store, or willing to put in the minimal effort it takes to sell a digital product that's already done for you and that you can make 100% of your money back when you sell it one time, or if you don't want to spend $27 to create ebooks in minutes using AI, what are we doing? This is for action takers. This is for people that understand that it is going to take some effort. This is going to take some investment to build a legit, sustainable, long-term business. Okay. I need you guys to understand when it comes to building a business, the foundation is the most important part. So you have to know how to do it and do it right. So we're going to stop making excuses and we're going to actually start using our resources. I took the time. I created hundreds of videos on this channel. There are plenty of playlists for whatever you're interested in. If you are interested in audiobook narration, I have a whole playlist on that so you can make money doing that. If you're interested in side hustles, I have playlists on that. Apps to make money, digital products, all of these are options on this channel. But are you actually using the resources that I provide you? I'm going to challenge you to do that. Today, do something to build the rest of your life. Okay? But let me get off my high horse. I do want to hear from you. I'm telling y'all right now, I don't want to hear any excuses, but I do want to know, is there something that I mentioned in this video that piqued your interest? Is there something that I said that lit a spark under you? Is there something that you want to dive deeper into? Is there something that you may have learned existed that you didn't know existed? Let's talk about it in the comments. And just a real quick reminder, if this video was at all helpful for you or motivated you or anything, please, we got to get my channel out to more people because I've been doing this daggone thing for 10 years now and people are just now finding out about me. And I'm talking about even my local people. Y'all should know about me by now. So if y'all can help me out and let the YouTube algorithm and me know that you like this content so that YouTube can spread the word. And you do that by hitting the thumbs up button. And also please don't forget to subscribe, turn on your notifications so you can be notified when I drop a new video. Now, just like I promised you earlier in this video, I understand many of you are new to digital products and you want to be able to sell stuff on your own store, on your own website. Well, guess what? I did an entire video showing you how to build an entire website with a store in minutes using AI. So if I were you, I would check out this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.
I might be broken down, but I'm smiling. I keep my head up high, though I fail. Sometimes I get a bit emotional, but then I turn around and let